Do you want to know where I got this awesome watch from? Come join me and find out. Hey guys, this is the Nerd and Nubian, and welcome back to my channel. Today for you guys, I have the Talley and Twine Juneteenth edition watch. Now, Talley and Twine is a black-owned watch company that's become pretty popular, and I'll leave the link for the website in the description of the video. I've been looking at this watch for a couple of years now, and I'm really excited to own one. So let's open it up and see what's up. Okay, I expect this is the actual watch. I'll get to that in a second. Aha. Looks like a nice cleaning cloth. Oh, nice. Nice little notebook. Take notes. And show your support for Talley and Twine with the official flag. So here we go. Actual Talley and Twine watch. Pretty nice packaging. I like the little extra to get with it. There we go. Oh wow, that is beautiful. Want to see you guys can see this. That is just awesome. Like I said, this is the Juneteenth edition of the Talley and Twine watch company. I love the black case and the red, black, and green. This is a fabric band. Already got fingerprints on it. We'll fix that. And the 7. You can go to the website and see why they put 7s on all of their watch faces. It's pretty awesome. Seems like it'd be pretty good, sturdy quality. And as soon as I set this up, I'll wear it every day. Let's open up a bit. It's time to make your mark. Make your mark on the world. Oh, just beautiful. I urge everyone to look at the website. It's not bad at all. All right, let me give you some facts on this watch. Price $175, straight from the website. This is the 46mm men's watch, and they do make a smaller one for females if you ever want to pick one up for your wife or girlfriend, mother. I can't get over how nice this is. Very heavy duty, very beautiful watch. Look at the detail. Little T for Talley and Twine on the main dial. Very nice and detailed. Yes, it is water resistant. Stainless steel case. Canvas band. So let me set this up and I'll get right back with you. Okay, so I've set up the time. See in the lower part That's the seconds dial. And does have a stopwatch feature. That's the start, stop, and lower is the reset. This is just awesome. Okay, so I'll just put this watch on, and it looks nice on my arm. Not too big, not too bulky. You know what? I think I will pick up another one. Not bad at all. So without a doubt, this is definitely getting 5 bow ties from me. Just the quality, the color, the durability. Urge you guys to go onto the website and pick one up. As always, stay blessed.